How to fix disable account cannot be connected problem on Instagram. So first tap on Messenger. Now open the chat where this problem is showing. After that tap on profile name and click on these three dots. Tap on restrict button. Once that, now go back and click on profile. Now click on these three lines. Tap on setting. Now click on privacy. Now click on restricted account. Now unrestrict the chat. Once that, go back and open setting. Now go to additional setting. Tap on application management. Now click on Instagram. Now first clear cache and tap on force stop. Click on OK button. After that, your problem will be solved easily.